Okay, FM 101.7.
Na mami nkwa na mi kodi nkomo na ye be saba nche me da ase. Sekire bi ma niba ene Peter Boama Otukuno. Na we deputy general secretary. Na kaze obi de Boama oboa ode maw oboa na wode amaw. Na buadi su de oboa wa oboa me nyina yedi. Eja Peter Boama Otukuno ni mo ache.
Kwame Mejoso.
Na boko de.
Nyame adumu. Boko.
Wo kura mu bi ma. Wa mo de ohima akosie ye. Tete wo. Na wa ko aba na wo mo se hade obi ma. Ene ye benya bi ma.
Bima. Bam wabe.
Ah, evende.
Aba kosem no wabe wo mu pa.
Kakra kru.
Wo bi bes ye ukura twi diplomate.
I think three diplomate. Na mabawo ncha no payia. Yen free na anu asem a eja ekoda Supreme Court. Na Supreme Court rule wi ye. Minim wote once me be ye deja eja ye wofa kwadwa siedu e General Mosquito. Wono nso obekasa ye e ma kire no de okan ye no na enye de Supreme Court ne kan ye by interpretation no. Na no na ni titiu MPP amanyoku edi abansi ye kan krofo yi nkenkan papa yi kasa na lawyer fo so onu kura na enye lawyer ni a mo amugina ne ho lawyer fo no so mo nyina sa mo so mo ntia ase sa asem no pa no wo hu ni se na age ni sen
Yo Kwame nyedi kan nye so e Supreme Court na no ya woda no fair SM enigwa system Ghana ye kebi mami kebi ene Ghana ye justice delivery system se ya temu ensensem ninti ye fair ye enigwa se mani ya reho ene se insema ye de down court Kwame se wo hwe inseminani na wo de adwe to ho na wo de emra to ho na wo hwe amanfo social sentiment wo hwe timamfo kasa no moka timamfo adwen na wo hwe muaye anase atemu Supreme Court no e de baaye na Kwame ye niema mienu pe ni etoso ni adikan na chete Supreme Court no sabi on previousa enye Ghana ena omo hweye ena omo edite ebu aten anata omo de ye atembu
Peter pacho wadawru ma wanya judgment ni bia kenkai
menya judgment ni bia kenkai
ba wa mo so omo the reasons no so beba 15 July
reasons no mo 15 July the point na obo nse mewi ho ye di kan wo man hwe Ghana mai ena omo de bu sa aten ni etoso yenu ase wobi ehwe omo hwodo ena akoye se we pe wanya solution na wo copy explanation ya be justify solution no na eno ema sa perception na ewo mam ha se ye atemu edumakuo no ana se judicial system no eni ajaji fu bi wo mu dumadi a wo mu de bebre no wo mu hwe amanyoku ana se aban a epa wo mu na wo si binaye ana se wo ma atemu ama na favor aban na epa wo mu me sure say okay dumadi a
ai apani mami wadie sabi they are a revered institution and Supreme Court no so no they are a law unto themselves afei wo mo so no omo hwe ade na wo mo hwe the letter and the spirit behind bia assembly judgment bia na ruling bia wo mo ede bema eye den na ye de wo mo kofra say ye de wo mo kofra wo mpese wo mo ye ne favor ban bia wo no mo so sabi nipa bia wo ho no nya ban kura na appoint wo mo
Kwame revered institution no enye ano ne yedi kan it must show in action and in deed. Say cat will be a reverend, will be a revered. Bro for casa. Any panel. Offering the pope, the new yam, ewo, a srunko. Na enyonyam ne bɛyɛ soronko ne wobɛfɛre ne nyinaa no efiri ne meyɛ ɛne ne dwumadi. It must show in action and in deed. The Supreme Court over the years has shown say a revered, but a good do maybe said a Professor Atuguba, Raymond Atuguba, a year in the research now what they better done. I say political issues bar. I just the foreign woman ya womusino. Incredibly no, it a buying Emma or appointment so. Nti sɛ wɔn nya opportunity na judgment a wɔn bɛma a ɛbɛboa saa political party na anaasɛ saa abanyɔkuo na wɔn yɛ ne nsɛm kura ne sɛ nti a saa ruling yi ɛma saa gyidie no mu ahyɛ tena ne sɛ wotie nsɛm na yɛde kɔɔ court a ne relief a ne yɛpɛ na saa ne tie ne yie paa. Supreme Court na May 2016 a ruling be a current register. Now, ruling now, one year and it will be the Kodan almost says amount will be the National Health Insurance card. I register for a year or more better. Now, a more and nullify National Health Insurance card now amount for the register at one first 2012. Now, when you say the pending in free. Supreme Court a two and all can say so will be able to register at bar. The best prima facie evidence, prima facie, the best evidence such as a beam prima facie means we prime. So the number one evidence are what the bachelor. So we are Ghana, we are a man this year, will be to me at Waba. And the voter ID card. But you know, wouldn't try to years a ruling, no, you see tested. Now, 8 years on, if I say how many years in 2016, but almost 8 years. 4 years. Now, 4 years' time, the same Supreme Court now has been for Chief Justice and a team. Now, the Supreme Court no every ruling, a bua and I say a busa ruling in Tia. Because you say a Mrebia and the Supreme Court Bekabia Yemra. In 2016, Supreme Court to Kai any Yemra. It's a bunny say small institution be and no any to mean Supreme Court, any to me crapun change Parliament. Not the institution no to an amombia etia mara etia constitution no clearly na ye de abedam. Now, to me, rule in opposition to a ruling of the Supreme Court. A more rem. And the more rem, they say, Obamu says, there are two cases here. The only consistency between the cases, the plaintiffs were coming from the same party. 2016, plaintiffs, Evans Limako, MVP election director, and Abu Ramadan, a NADMO deputy director. And that's our case, we know. Say, Osha. This year, no more bem. Intino Usha plaintiff no, no more 2016. This year, no more defendants. Into ruling now, yet the Maomu in their favor to remove the National Health Insurance. No, and then one be defendant into ruling also, you rule in their favor. Into no more rule to breach the first ruling, which is coming from the Supreme Court in favor of the same group of people, the same political system. So I say, so judges are what trans case the same Professor Atuguba theory now, and in this case, so the same Professor Atuguba theory. It's why science and the afraid be hypothesis. What the hypothesis and the two are so judges are more a bandia a power mono or more ruling in favor of Sahara buying. Now, say what you show evidence now they are tested. We pick two evidence we crap it 6 volumes. Professor Tuguban is astute on the dean of faculty of law. On the crap with the new use evidence but me fair evidence me no pen they are justifying the theory now or propounding and it's false clearly. So ruling way Article 42 of the Constitution, you know, say when you ask a lawyer, or your pocket lawyer to send me crap, which is clear, that's our ruling way, and set down for when you idea will be as so. Article 42 ni kyerɛ sɛ sɛ wadi mfie du nwɔtwe ɛne akyiri na wadwe mu ɛda hɔ a ɛyɛ ɔhyɛ saa yɛ asɛdeɛ sɛ yɛtumi twere wo din na woto aba na wokɔ article 46 a akyerɛ wo sɛ except otherwise provided in this constitution or any other law which is not inconsistent with this constitution. Electoral commissions are in the performance of their duty will not be subjected to any authority or direction by any person. But you say except provided in this constitution. Now the provision in this constitution is Article 42. So we did fear do more training actually and now you daho. Won't mean see me who kind of be a rather say on register. Won't mean you should be our and finding in you move. Won't mean you should be a done so and finding a yipamu. Won't mean you should card be a crowd and say won't crowd finding a yipamu. What you here? Now, free Hoduma, Article 6 near where Ghana need because 18 years and above, you say, oh, you're Ghana near 18 years and above. It's simple as one year Ghana need Article 6. And come of us, Ukra Ghana card and now I say Ukra passport and the Mao Ghana.
Okay.
In the coming into force of the 1992 Constitution, we be all Ghana need no cost Ghana. So, extrapolate in the coming into force of the CI 126, will be our year Ghana near what waba. A cost year Ghana. It wouldn't mean the case or start afresh, will be a year Ghana Libium. Until Ghana New or no a so Ghana card and national passport. And just simple common sense. And you see, Supreme Court need to an Amombia, not yet moving any Adjuye pa. Almost there, you see, Omunkofa legal basis, bra. Okay, legal basis. Legal basis, you condemn poisonous fruit, Adam and Eve.
Legal basis,
poisonous tree, I produce poisonous fruit. You can legal share see legal position. Yeah, there's no legal position. This case was so clear, Kwame.
Meba. Wunya, sir, you can't for legal reasons as to why they don't want the old voters ID card to be presented as a proof of nationality. Wunya be kind.
Kwame, me a best 37 page. Me kindly pa. That was the first time I made legal opinion. Yedi announce some natural legal opinion. Announce some legal opinion and not legal position. Kwame, you say kofa emrana efwa so ema mu di se dwumadi na ebra. Now you can start to Adam and story a poisonous tree, poisonous fruit, poisonous na and no legal position. Now,
Mammy Radio, who share judgment, after judgment, you know, go to so many authorities. Nyabako is about 27 authorities. I'm called to here to support the ruling. And no, we are what you saying.
Kwame, me say really no ni bibia wo mo ko to ye bia no mo rem because acquire a wedding solution now prepare one problem. Now they are justify a solution. That is exactly what happened. It said ye kai no President Mahama kai. Said ye parties a do ya kai ho aboma ya kutia sa register interparty resistance and na ye kai. Ye mfua sa ruling we vehemently disagree with this ruling. This ruling will go into the annals of history of this country as one of the most interesting and worst rulings from the Supreme Court. And I think that point must be made. This kind of ruling be that basis, acquire for the first time. Supreme Court and the Jumedian so Remuna among 40 years bring clarity to the law. Linking the Supreme Court war, Supreme Court, Press Court, in Muramun Church. There's a moment to one being one red moment in our church and Manima. This is the first time Manoku Supreme Court are why you ruling and lawyers have put down and crowd why you're confused. One Supreme Court now you're confused. Ushe really when much maybe a woman brief on all the relief, almost relief to dismiss. And so call or you one more explanation on the man or my guarantee relief too. Relief 3. Yes, Moon guarantee and say existing voter ID card. the best prima facie to identify somebody into which mean free. Almost a man granted. But a man granted no subjected to CI-126. Meanwhile, CI-126 is in the ID card. Many are Jenny Pound. Who has a lawyer, no near ma, and Supreme Court in a year, yeah, would be one when it's here. I had this our confusion in the buyer. A lawyer could them crap, what trotro, a wound some cry, and sunny yes, I call you could be happy with him now, Briwakata and Tiasia, and yes, I call Briwaho, Abriwasi, and sunny by and shed and Tiasia, yes, I call Briwaho. A question that you be given when I. Now, Obama, Mr. Tiam and your son, Obama, and the back on when he said, wouldn't you be aware that just will be about the Kufado? So when you go here, what the confusion about? That is how it is. Because and Amona Utu and Sana, as a Bema, we see Sumu, we see Sumu and Sana Haram. Oh, see Sumu and Sana Haram and Suba call him. You get drowned. You understand? And that is what has happened to the Supreme Court, the Electoral Commission, the NIA, and all the institutions. Unfair. The Omoya Kasubumi or Abato that's what has happened to them. And we think that what happened is very, very, very unfair to the judicial system. And I think the Supreme Court Nakasa, Omukasa, no Makasa, yes, Omuyamra. But Supreme Court is across the world, or my ruling, or no, we didn't say Yamra, and so the Omaino call saying, if I have constitution, Alas Awatara, former Prime Minister, almost your money register. So many court and a court to see Jina, I say, Omo or your Burkina Faso, Omo man and register man card and take. They no need to start Ivory Coast. It is Supreme Court today. One more travel see Jina Yedebia, imagine I know the Oman Koye Oyeni. The fact say Omo law no doesn't mean say woman fallible, Omo Yenipa. And evidence and any report, you know, what I say, Nipa no Omo Yeno Mufi baby, Omo Yanam, Omo Adofono. I thought that lawyer for KBBC, we are Latin cat almost in Nemo Judas in Casaswa, a just sitting in his own court. Sometimes, you know, if you are not able to prove the lineage and the understanding and the interest of the judges, this matter will not come up. But usually, no more use Ebra will be Enya SM Abedan and Nim what here Kunyan so Nemo Judas in Casaswa, not just a what now obey a conflict of interest. But in matters of politics, because you will not be able to track and tell their political leanings directly, they are able to go scot-free. So what you here? It's no idea I'm for the crowd for no one here was my wing. But near course and I know you than the economy make sense to be and ya dear a fucking a quetia ye cabby mammy cabby and a yasum be any yamran send some mama.
What baby say? Namo say Sabrani and my ruling no. Now I confused. Confused just I didn't answer them said and Tiasia. Now Tiasia I'll be changing say.
One men car say Yama ruling no near I confused. Yes, the sweetness of the pudding is not in the pudding, it is in the eating of the pudding. Yeah, can say ruling na buy no. Will be ya confused, Mobia, they will say anything and a ruling. A lawyer poor to cool down. As you, someone granting release trade, yeah, release trade no. Yes, young voter ID card and come. And I'm also guarantee release trade. That voter, the voter card. The voter card should be considered. The voter card should be considered. The voter card should be considered. That you can't say you consider voter existing voter card. We know what a voter card be anyhow. The only voter card that we can get, the first voter card that we can get from CI-126 is on Tuesday. So how can you rule on a non-existent voter card? A voter card that should be considered, and why? If you grant a new voter card under CI-126, what relevance does it make to the existing voter ID card? If you know, say when one say na bibi agba from one, they don't have any because I question my baby now say, me say declare say voter ID card na Ghana phone in kura no, and no at the papa you bet you na so dey ato aba. It's say Monfefo no motana case meso 2016 na kase So person will identify Ghana and be over to me at Waba. Ninkata Krana, what the two about previously, a best document I'll be to me. Now I'm a class to my grandma, you, my grandma, say over to me to go tie the car. Now I can't count to, and so no, I guess a subject to a CI 126.
Aha.
Two. And you know, Sahano, and this is also CI 126 in Munafa. And you know, grant CI 126 nothing out there, Lord, I am finding a register. Be honest, you use our tie the card name. What sense does it make? And you relief, I also, you know, just say that you have dismissed the relief. And go and give your explanation. Say, oh, would you win your Kadachi Binity start? You knew what I the card. And no, you're making near you so. That is to say you have granted the relief. That was not the relief. So you are bound to bring confusion. MPP lawyers, no more confused. MPP for no the Facebook. I want to answer the church lawyer. Say, oh, you have granted relief straight. So it means that you will exclude voter ID card. So a lot of lawyers across board were confused. If you remember, try no kasi who a general mosquito a oko kasa oka say no one tia say the panel wonyan tia say the panel dabu apayo anaze bi aniti na ewu ana wan follow issues no. So I hear. So this is what happened. And I may really concern say Supreme Court cannot, by any stretch of imagination, be an authority that creates confusion about the law. That is not what Supreme Courts are for. Immediately you have that instance, then there's a problem. So immediately one then to every cashier chain was threat, not just a yariabum. Yeah, because your name to a cashier chain is threat. Yariabum. You understand? But you see, this thing threatens the democracy, the peace and tranquility of this country. And people must understand, say, beyond the fact that we raise legalism, there are political implications, there are social implications, there are development implications, there are traditional implications, there are cultural implications. Now, the social, cultural, and political implications, and are dangerous, are affecting a democracy. And those are the things that every expert, every political expert, and I say sociology expert, will analyze this issue where those are the things that he must look at. So now the case we are having is a nipa 5 million penny Ghana card now we did what you actually. By the analysis that we did, when we do what you actually when we crack Ghana card no, when we have 5 million. That is what we are sending to the registration center. Passport for the I mean come and because passport for no passport in the GC the bit too quiet. 2 million people no margin no money go on it. Last time I hear analysis about Europa, I say American go more year to be 500,000. So what I say, you know, the 2 million does not exist. It's in one more ostensibly and a card I will meet me. I could do a registration center or the actually to me a Ghana into more register. One more a little over 5 million. Meanwhile, Ghana Statistical Service said Ghana for more qualifies on Betuaba 18 million. 85 million if you move. So you have 13 million people that are ready to go and mass up at the registration center and cause chaos.
Mami Musa question you. Wono 5 million okay. But that stroke of that margin, unya figure no hin.
Okay, near the kind. When more NIA for my register more 11 million. 11 million on allow maybe 15, 16, 17 account. So OSHA populations statistics not by age group. Now we extrapolation. Now we say one more was 11 million. No more than 8 million. So 8 million you be have a card for him or match because we crack card that would you register registration center.
Okay.
In that case, a card code you know you prerequisite. When you go down say a friend of coming from an amateur me give me card and my me card into more register me any. So I hear. And you go almost a car for him or issue almost 7 million. 7 million or issue no include 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, 20 billion. When you say extrapolation now here, we 5 million. The who say almost start take the cars maybe. And so ostensibly people are still complaining say almost car cars. But Omo a omonya cars that I don't know say enya double cars, 3 cars, 4 cars. And na sefo. Ah, e no kwa no na ifo na ba out abeka say the omonya double registration be say over 33,000. And look up on impugn the integrity and the credibility of the NIA registration. The same integrity and credibility electoral commission used to say what the bend and pick the existing voter ID card. It is a yes high extrapolations mean now sa nkofoni free man. Obo say wo mu ka Ghana card ne poten o my 18 years and above o my crado o metumi register 5 million. Kwame, then a better ni pedue bia e be ma wadwen say wo yes idea we na ye the mass registration within this limited time to election under the COVID situation. Onya chaos for registration center. What will cost anybody? So you are saying say nipa 5 million no and I guarantee money per 30 million. Said you Emrana Supreme Court ruling no mama and I found no year no say already start for guarantee movie. Now said you in previous guarantee nika your worth of identification form to cry me who be that. Because guarantee no kwani me no ya sorry ni yokofa ya lasa watala ni the guarantee man for example and you be ntimi ndi nchim. So here because we are again here the 20 we da no ma 5 Ghana na oma so 5 Ghana it ni guarantee man why Ghana ni ano no. So who the majority of the people 30 million and our baby use guarantee system. Then problem now will try to solve no. Then you are rather increasing the problem that you claim existed in the original register. So evidence we say will be a foreigner the current register anymore. Electoral Commission, Supreme Court amount one procedures for how you need any free register. You should have just gone to remove the person from the register. You are open for complete disaster. So when you need to be now, then Ghana for you no guarantee man. Why only team in Nigeria for the foreigners or Mukruka Ghana passport. I'm fine no munya. Ghana card yankasi ya ye ni Nigeria Nigeria for be credit. I'm ya teach your mama what discuss you already so. What is there? You say you should Ghana card now and the passport now credibility the Oma man for so voucher now credibility the Jesus Christ. That tells you clearly that it is never about the credibility of the register. Because if it is about the credibility of the register, the most credible register is the register that has elected 2 different presidents under 2 different conditions. Akufo-Addo dey lose that. President Mahama dey win that. Akufo-Addo dey win President Mahama lose. What credible register is more than this? What credible register is more than this, Kwame? Osha, Electoral Commission do me no more demo. And yet credibility be a who and on poor register. And yet integrity be a who and on poor register. And yet what pioneer for body be a tap on my imagine said. No more faculty council, not to me to me our constitution in the moment of Monfantaba. The more we ask them for 2 minutes from Monsem. No more getting him against that. And they appear to me now, President Akufo-Addo. That is exactly what is going on. And I said Grand Coalition now, more than tripartite. And I use President Akufo-Addo and the Supreme Court. And it is becoming worrying. These are things that threatens democracies across the world.
Now, Mami,
and you come in. The aircraft copy of Bernard say, the Nipa 30 million could come for a registration center hall. After training Nipa 5 million, we will register now on my guarantee amount. You can imagine what will happen, especially under this COVID situation. It may Masoya no pa abegina kiu e duru me so o se memfa guarantee sebura. Won serve me, I won serve you di makino. Enti e duru me so afi na me so me copy guarantees. So it will become the responsibility of the Electoral Commission to look for guarantees for those who have been in the queue or eduru so. You cannot say you will not allow the person to register. Abegina kiu. Well, my evidence na me mama say me papa say me free no mo ye wo me your mind this year. So at here. You have to prove all that. And you know who can't any money in our Electoral Commission or catch the OCC on crowd Ghana car me passport need. Well registered and one registered next person. So who never call should be our registered no be guarantee am. na kwa oni yenye hu kra wo ni hu kra ma me bie eno ani so ansa na ya to akasa ne so woni say ya mmeremu no cia 126 na o ma hye no say you start registration no na you go through the process and could do final certified register card bi a be issue bi a valid how do you that card bi a be issue bi a valid because ese uko through process no first one provisional register amount one ko exhibition no ko challenge na yenye adjudication our challenges no so be any Ghana ni na so be qualify yin free ma underage for yin your free mo ya na your cleaning ya duplication and finally you publishing the final register in the gazette then it becomes certified register. Here the Supreme Court that's what she say electoral commission here etiam brane say we must use card na any certified no any final registration it is will be guarantee now question ya ebuta obi guarantee ma na nipa no ye challenge no ni yi ni bi ni free register ma nipa du na wa guarantee am omo ni nyina no omo ye valid na aso omo ye valid we ye common sense simple common sense so when me nya agin a obi ti ebuta no question it nipa ni guarantee ma na ye challenge no ni yi ni free ma wo nipa na wa guarantee amount what is your faith obo anything are you also going to be removed because almost say a valid person I will register and then guarantee my amount to your Ghana ni. Now you guarantee amount no in your Ghana ni on qualifier oh now your Ghana ni. You see the confusion, total chaos, total confusion, and about was our register with you. And would be a dream one. Then here acquire electoral commission. Every year we got that in some women among when I will because. If you didn't have a car, say no, you will reason. See, I'm a person who is registered. See, I'm not going to if you didn't know reasons. No. Well, I never know when I start to accommodate reasons. When the electoral commission might operate register.
A bloated
credibility was them. And no one of my cars are registered. They are credible. Now machines in the end. Why you man?
There be almost cited a number of reasons.
And then anything.
Back with your machines, you know. About a lifetime end. Bakun software no. So I say who upgrade ku na wunya. It sounds almost obsolete. Na bloated. Foreigners didn't wom.
Fame. And you know, say machines now almost on bezo almost sana akosi say. Many o ka say. Who Fred Dr. Serebo here. Another registration now ever started. Machines in still and buy. Old machines, you know, no more cannibalizing or modern new software. And now when you 3,000 room, and almost they started Tuesday. Meanwhile, they need 6,700 equipment. And you know, one program of my engine requires 6,700 equipment, and they don't have it, and they have only 3,000. Fresh, nobody is here, I pass your call, your man on car, I call. It's program now, I know one case of your first week, you know. Womunya machines no nti for wabusome no ebeko awiye na machines no ne aka na ba 3,000 equipment no mo dey here program no my no mo use 3,000 equipment no mo gina 2.5 months to register 2.5 months no we October after na be provisional register emra no year 126 me kire say wo wabusome me answer after registration now we be a provisional register it no say 2.5 months free and equal 2.5 months. Second week in September. Into for 3 weeks, 3 months. Would you for 2 months for second week in September? Would that second week in November? After now, acquire a exhibition. When are you going to do election? Check there is impending chaos and Kwame. Mami Sisubia, Nami caution we so Mamun Kase will be anka. There is impending chaos. Apart from the chaos that will happen at the registration centers, there is going to be constitutional chaos. And will be what as I say, we didn't offer for the move for so say, you electoral commission could design and brush some way. That person will have himself to be blamed.
Now, 2020 elections, the chat to who will be through say Obama NDC.
Kwame, this year baby I do no. There is nothing in between the NDC and victory in 2020. So Kufuor poo. So demands and in the boss man in the electoral committee so Supreme Court will be no more support to almost Kwame, you could be no dolly and the Bahama President Mohammed Dunkuni. What would you have to Takrum so you say out of Rumpa? You know the sentiments of the people. Look, there is real change coming. Post, I mean, it's a piece of my business here. All the polls, not one, not a single one. This is the first time we will be that retirement among them. Ghana, the electoral polls, especially by radio stations like Peter FMNA, Dare FMNA, ABC Baby. It has never happened. Check the near poll about 2020 elections. I think 40%. Not one. And you see, for me, we are researcher, statistician, the other say, online polls are the best polls that you can get because it is highly randomized. You can highly randomize. Like I said, would it be able to be to be? If you want to mean, we know you call baby MP to 4 doors, and you call baby NDC 4 doors, and China, a ama polls, and I could say it is highly randomized. So it is highly recommended. Would be our statistician, be able to recommend it. When you are doing political polls, you must make sure that it is highly randomized. In fact, if you are an academic research plan, the level of randomization is what determines the efficacy of your research outcome. I'm a professor, Professor Anama. What is the level of randomization? So I here. Name what trust in what predetermine the outcome because it will predetermine the outcome. You find it all your posts.
The level and the size of your randomization. Me find say makojina okpongulu. And maybe say nipa bi asem na ehwa ma wie na me de aba. Mama tesano. Manko fadama. Manko kumase.
Meanwhile, no, Okpongulu wa was West Wagon. I was West Wagon, so do na etuma MPP.
It was sample size must be big.
Exactly. And yet big in the crap, which means small, but it must be representative and highly randomized.
Okay.
Many when I'm not about put through, no me say, over to MPP and NDC. So I say. But what trust now, you purposive sampling, your friend purposive sampling. Akwa say Kwame maba Peace FM na me beye post bi on ebia bibia efa mudumadi ho mo wo OKFM mo wo Peace mo wo NEAT mo wo other station se me ba na me chusu mo stations ni na ye the best na me ko Peace FM na me fa ni pedu ho me ba OKFM na me fa num me ko NEAT na me fa ba ko how just me results na be say Peace FM de beli dia na me kwa aha. So it is not a randomized research. Mako Ashanti region, na Mafendi Pacific, na Mako all the other regions, na Mafa 10. That means we talk about MPP and DC. Surely MPP will win. That online polls may be highly randomized. You go who poll, you don't determine who sees the poll and who votes from across them. Will be with me, Ghana, and you know, you know what to about. So here. So it tells you a proper picture, and I have had the cause to complain severally. Say, radio stations, I would do any TV stations, any online polls or more, and I don't see why they don't discard the polls. For US now, every single poll is important. Yet your memo had 2012, even 2008. Now, IT survey now, information technology in developing, developing. Polls be discussing the radio. So, for no much so no boom, no more cows, a piece of for no more cows. 2012. Now, near advance now, young tiny pools. The pool bar could be Puma, or bit me turn office, I know I put the atom. Now it's so a piece of a near boom, now join near boom. And institutions Nankasa you pool because pool nature as a president Muhammad Union to be and discuss it. Since 2018, polls are. Why you were Ghana and any other one, you're short one Kasa would get to. We didn't say me no Kasa Ghana web a post be on the Supreme Court ruling. Last time I make court check here, and now Omo Kase they disagree with the ruling of the Supreme Court. No more than 86%. Alright. So the Ghana should be a question. It's widely assessed. Well, look at the vote. And nobody is discussing. Nobody will discuss. You understand? But the point in the sense, when they speak, they have spoken. No amount of elimination tactics will give you the power. Because any year said to me before we say President Kufuor abaying anything no two way or Marco Kanta so we say 2 minutes free on seven. The only way I bet to be actually almost say you 2 minutes on the 2 minutes resides Article 1. The sovereignty of this state resides in the people. And the only way I bet to actually almost say the sovereignty of Mother Ghana and client to me before no is to make sure that when you be a better so register was our registration. You bet me register. Me a tip that you call me a children that you be a cracker almost say 2 million. You crying. And you panic a cranny at the mouth. Say Mumbra, Namubedi, because you are really to me in you panic a clamor. Now on so bad, what could you electoral commission? On so bad, what could you judges? Now, so you are just obeying judges. I will be beyond the flowers who did number some cries. You, why are there? You do. We use the electoral commission, not who did number some number flowers. Oh, you do, and your man on the
okay.
The people will pay you back in your own time during the election.
Madase, I no pay mirror.
One and Medasi.
That's when I saw Peter Boama took on any train command where Deputy General Secretary Dima and the Shaman you can okay 101.7 so in the
Okay, FM 101.7.